Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create professional logos completely free using just two tools, Looka.com and ChatGPT. We'll only be using their free versions, and with these, you can make unlimited high-quality logos without spending a single penny. Plus, I'll share a special ChatGPT command that will make your logos look even better, so stick around. First, open Looka.com in your browser. You'll see a page where you can type in your company or business name. I'm going to type my YouTube channel's name and click Get Started. Next, under Pick Your Industry, choose the category that fits your business. I'll select Electrical and click Continue. Now you'll see some style options. If you like one, go ahead and select it. I'm going to skip this step. You'll also get the option to choose theme colors for your logo, but I'll skip that too. After that, you can add a slogan for your business. This is optional, but it's a great way to give your logo more personality. I'll type in a slogan and hit Continue. Then there's an option to select a symbol. Again, I'll skip it. Once that's done, Looka will generate a bunch of logos for you. If you don't see any, click Load More Logos. The more you scroll, the more designs you'll get. When you find one you like, you can customize it right there. Or if you don't want to customize, here's a quick trick. Open the snipping tool on Windows, click New, and just select the area where your logo is. After taking the screenshot, save it to your computer. And that's it for the first part. We've got the logo style. But there's one problem. The resolution isn't good enough to use. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Upload your logo to ChatGPT and type this prompt. You can change the size if you want, but 2000 by 2000 is a good standard. Hit Enter, wait a few seconds, and ChatGPT will create a sharp, high-quality version for you. By the way, I've made a full video about writing professional ChatGPT prompts. It's linked in the description and in the I button above. Definitely check it out if you want to get the best results from AI. Once the image is ready, download it and boom, you've got a crisp, professional logo exactly in the resolution you asked for. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can make amazing logos for free. If you found this helpful, drop a like so more people can see it and share it with your friends who might need a logo. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. See you in the next video with another awesome tutorial. Until then, take care.